Good morning. I'm Epstein with the Morning Budget Update. This update is for Monday. We're at the 20th of May, 2024, 8:15 a.m. Central Time. Well, there's no major economic U.S. data due out today, actually, or tomorrow. What we have, though, over the next today and tomorrow is a lot of Fed members speaking. Raphael Bostic, the Atlanta Fed president, spoke this morning already on Bloomberg. It's higher for longer, maybe a December cut. Depends what the data shows, and right now the data is good. Lots of arguments by people as to what the next move. Could it be a September move? Well, it's going to depend how the data comes in. This is still May. If you're talking September, you've got to go through the next June, July, even August numbers. So you got plenty of time to see in there just what the market's doing. The stock market today wobbling. How's that for the right word? The NASDAQ a bit stronger, the Russell a little weaker along with the Dow, and the S&P slightly higher. Metals have had one of these wild days. Yes, these are not misprints in the silver. I was watching this get up there. 32.75, it's a full dollar lower. This is a bounce. It went down where it was only up about 20 cents on the day. So, it has me thinking, is the market overextended? A lower close today would certainly look like a blow-off top. I'm not saying that'll happen. It's something you got to be aware of. You're only $5 higher in gold. You've dropped $30 from the high. Copper got up nearly to the 520 level. It's down a penny and a half almost at 503.65. And platinum got up to 1105, and it's 20 lower on the day. So we've come up so far that, people think everything has to just keep running forever. I wish that were the case, but it's often not. The argument in the marketplace, and it's going to be there for a good part of this week, is the dollar still going to be stronger than foreign currencies? It's really a simple argument. A lot of currencies, the European, the Eurozone, the Euro currency, the UK, there's lots of talk. Are these banks getting ready to cut rates this summer? We don't know what the Fed's going to do. I've heard people say it's July. Okay. They know as much as I do, so who knows? In the grain markets, as you know, you come in and every weekend is a gamble on what the weather's going to be. Too much rain, not enough rain, too hot soon, not too hot. Which way does it all go? Bonds and notes, well, they look to me like they've made a short-term peak. Short covering certainly hitting in the cotton market, and I'd pay close attention to that. But that's pretty much the package you're going to have over the next 48 hours. More technical. We know that in Iran, we've seen the situation where the president and the foreign minister were both killed in a helicopter crash that apparently nobody but the helicopter had something to do with. But the equipment they have is rather old in Iran. I don't know why they don't get more equipment from Russia and or their other partner, China, but we'll see if they do something with that. This happened to be a Bell, which is a U.S.-made helicopter that went down. The crime consul, the prosecutor from the ICC, is now asking to issue warrants for Netanyahu and the heads of Hamas and the defense minister of Israel. So they're trying to take them all and take them to court, if you will, and find them all guilty of, in some manner, genocide on both sides. So it's an interesting case. Nobody's right in this whole thing at this point. Israel is doing very surgical strikes. The Houthis did strike a ship on Saturday in the Red Sea. So the war continues on. Nothing has really changed there. The pier is operational that the U.S. built. Supposedly, it'll be able to handle 90 truckloads a day. Let's see what's happening today, and I'll have a better feel for it and see if they've gotten the logistics worked out. Eventually, 150 truckloads a day, but they need 500 minimum, so that's not going to do the big job. And when we look at Bitcoin, it did get up here a little higher, but it's just sort of marking time as I see it. So metal's a very interesting market. If you had me look at one area, that would be the area today. Is the pullback from the highs the buying opportunity, or did the market act like it's creating a short-term trading top? That's what we'll find out soon. I want to remind you, we have a lot of offerings for you, and one of them is our Guide to Technical Indicators volumes, both 1 and 2. It's under Ira Epstein free offers. It's a PDF download. We'll send you the PDF by email. Chart patterns, moving averages, all the different oscillators, Dow, Elliott, Fibonacci, Gann. We discuss everything in here. Spreads, big important thing. Option primers, all there for you. So how do you get this? 866-973-2077 under free offers. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great day.